Hello there, today I'm performing one distinct geometry test and I'm going to show how to solve a test like this. Uh, what is it? It is a quarter of circle, green square, and a right angular triangle. And we are going to find this side over this side, which is called tangents. Well, what will we do first? Firstly, let's note that if we will cross here a line, it will be 45 degrees and 45 degrees, and this radius, for example, let's say it equals 1. Well, we thought it equals 1, it means this side is sine 45, the same as this side, this and this side. Well, let's call these two sides x and y, and then we'll use Pythagorean theorem twice, as I remember. Okay, let's go next. We'll draw high here. And let's note one interesting thing. This is the same radius, which equals 1. It means if we know this side and this high side, plus sine 45, we will be able to make another equation. Sine 45, this side, times this little h, equals to x times y. They both will be equal to this triangle twice. This quadrangle, right? It means dividing both sides by. Well, we have wrote the sum, and now let's expand the square. I found an interesting thing that h squared plus c squared equals x squared. It means we will not calculate c. It is very interesting because we'll just use x here instead of these two things. Now we are going to find what? We know h, we know high, and we are going to find x. Here will be y and x, but well, sine 45 over sine 45 is 1, means 2 is y. And let's go next. Time everything by 2, and move out y from here. Well, now we still remember x squared plus y squared is sine 45 squared, which is 1 over 2. Still remember this, yes? Well, using our gotten y here. Now we can quite change it. You can ask me how to solve this. Using Faraday formula? No, we will not use the Faraday formula because here we can solve it for x squared, and it will be just like. Well, what's next? We got x squared. Let's try to make y squared through x squared, but what? We can use the Pythagorean theorem again. Just note, we are going to find x over y. X squared over y squared is x squared over 1 over 2 sine squared, sine 45 squared, minus x squared. Our past x was 1 over 2, x squared was 1 over 2. 1 over 2 over 0. It is in solution over 10. The next is 1 over 10. 1 over 2 is in solution. Then I will show why. If x squared is 1 over 10, 1 over 10 over 5 minus 1 over 10 is 1 over 4. Yes, it is 1 over 4, and square root from this to get x over y. We'll get 1 over 2. Y is here 1 over 0. It is in the solution, yes, dividing by 0. But what is it? Well, let's go ahead to our circle with triangles. Let's suppose x squared is 1 over 2. It means x is 1 over square root 2, but wait, it is our green side. It means this is x and y is 0. 1 over square root 2 over 0. It isn't very good because our triangle here is this. Y side is not 0, right? Well, that means our answer is the second answer. It was 1 over 2. And this is the answer. 1 over 2. Goodbye, subscribe to our channel, set like, write commentary. Bye.